I'm finally back in the kitchen.
What are we making today, Casey?
I think it is prawn bisque. Woo!
Prawn bisque, a soup.
Soup, yeah.
We're going to make a soup today. Okay, great. We're going to make a prawn bisque. We're going to use these beautiful fresh tiger prawns. Use the shell to make the soup, and then the flesh, the meat, we're going to saute it and put it in the soup. It's going to be rich and creamy.
คือผมกำลังหั่นตัวแครอทลีกออนเนียนเซลลารีก็เหมือนที่ทำในริซอตโต้ครับยังไม่รู้เลย Let's Google it.
What is weak in Thai, Casey?
I don't know. Wait.
Where's my vegetables?
รู้อะไร What is it?
Bit of olive oil in the pan, prawn shells, and a few that I made earlier. This is going to be delicious. Careful your fingers.
I didn't have a chance, but
You only got small fingers.
no.
You don't want to cut them off.
I have big fingers.
So what's this? What's this?
อันนี้ก็คือเซลลารีหรือ
What is it in Thai?
Don't know.
Celery.
Celery.
The smell, the aroma. So I'm going to add some of this vegetable to this pot. Onions, carrots, leeks. Wow.
Are you guys hungry? Yeah. Please. Sure. Get some nice color on the prawns. Woo!
Woo!
Woo woo woo!
Casey?
Ready?
Ready. Flambe.
Woo!
Woo! Casey's on fire. And then some of this good white wine, good slug, and there you go. Cook that down.
Mom, what is the meaning of flambe?
Flambe means to flame. So we're going to add alcohol to give the flame, which is a flambe. It burns the alcohol out of the brandy but leaves the brandy flavour. So now I'm going to add a little tomato paste to this.
That's not tomato paste.
That's tomato paste, going to give it some richness, colour.
Can you explain what is tomato paste?
It's puree of tomatoes that have been cooked down, or we can say tomatoes. So this step we're just letting it cook down a little bit, and to thicken the soup we're going to use some rice. So this is short grain rice. It will give some texture.
Like corn risotto. It's risotto.
Yeah, so we're going to add a little rice in here. I have some nice prawn stock that I made yesterday. So we're going to let this cook now for around 45 minutes to an hour. It's going to cook down. It's going to extract all the flavour, and we're going to add some fresh herbs.
And don't put
I've got some beautiful fresh thyme here.
And a rosemary tree.
And we've got fresh, whoa, Casey, you're so strong. We got some rice, fresh rosemary. Look at this.
Wash it.
Oh yeah, we got to wash it.
45 minutes later. 45 นาทีผ่านไป
So we're going to put it through the blender with the shell and everything.
You always
To extract the blender.
use a glass blender.
Extract the flavor. Yeah, we use a nice glass blender.
What happened if
Heavy
you use a
duty.
plastic blender?
Well, it's going to be hot, yeah. So we want, you know, we want to absorb all this heat and the flavor inside. Just to cover it with a cloth. So if something happens, if the glass cracks or the top comes off, it won't spray into our face. So step back a little bit. So we're sieving and straining all the soup out. This is all the blended shell and vegetable. We don't want that in our soup. So we push it through the sieve with the back of a spoon, and it pushes all the soup through. Yeah?
ก็คือตอนนี้ผมก็จะเสียตัวกุ้ง So waiting for the oil to bubble and the butter too. The baddest thing about butter is it can burn. But this prawn bisque is, I think, is my favorite soup. So lobster bisque, if you're making it, you just chop lobster, then you blend it like prawn bisque. So
You ready?
ready,
Yeah.
ready, 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 ready,
We're ready.
ready, Freddy. Ready. We're getting some nice color on it.
Yeah.
เราไม่ต้องให้น้ำมันมันเดือดมากเพราะว่าเนยอาจจะไหม้ได้ครับกลิ่นหอมมากครับ
Okay, this is a little bit of cream. I just whipped it up. We're going to add some brandy to this. This is optional. If you don't like the alcohol or brandy, omit it. Just use the whipping cream. But I think it adds just a little bit of flavor.
But I'm a kid too, so.
Yeah, and we're going to make a quenelle of this, aren't we? Yeah?
It smells like brandy.
Yeah. Okay. Just wait a moment. We're going to prepare the bowl for the shrimp.
Wait, this
So
takes a long time, okay?
Let's just put that right there. Yeah. And I got some beautiful fresh tarragon.
อันนี้เสร็จแล้ว เราก็ยังมีขนมปังแถมอีกด้วย
Shall we taste, Casey?
Should we stir the cream
I don't think you should have the cream. It's got the brandy in, so you just try the
No,
soup.
I should have the brandy.
Okay. Up to you.
Stir it. Cheers. Cheers. อร่อยมากครับ
2 thumbs up from me.
But it's 100 thumbs up for me.
Thank you. And see you all next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.